Hey guys, welcome to MotoBeam. We drove the Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara back in December and now we have the car here with us in Mumbai. आज ये गाड़ी को थोड़े रियल लाइफ सिनेरियोज में ड्राइव करेंगे. So let's see how it performs. How quick is the e-Vitara off the line? चलो एक एक्सेलरेशन टेस्ट करते हैं. With its 61 kWh battery, 128 kW of power and 193 Newton meters of torque, the e-Vitara offers quick performance. The power delivery is smooth and linear, making this car perfectly suited for both city roads and highways. With a full load of passengers, can this EV climb uphill easily or not? Time to find out. Time to go uphill with 4 passengers on board. Now the Hill Start Assist feature works as expected and it really helps matters. Also, thanks to 193 Newton meters of torque, the vehicle again starts rolling ahead very smoothly and without any jerks, even with 4 passengers on board. Imagine you're driving and suddenly a jaywalker comes in your way or an animal decides to suddenly cross the road. How will the e-Vitara behave under a panic, heartbreaking situation? देखते हैं. The vehicle stops from 80 km per hour to stand still in a straight line in a confident manner and without much drama. The brakes offer a strong bite and the tires also grip well. I've been driving the Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara. अब ये गाड़ी में ADAS features आते हैं. This is a well-marked highway right here, the Mumbai-Gujarat highway. I'll test 2 of these features, the lane keep assist feature and the adaptive cruise control feature. Let's see whether the car keeps itself in the lane or not. The car is bringing itself back in the middle of the lane. थोड़ा right की तरफ जाते हैं. And now it is again moving a little towards the left and bringing it back in the lane. अब ये तो एक छोटा डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन था, बट आई हैव बीन ड्राइविंग द कार सिंस द पास्ट कपल ऑफ डेज एंड आई हैव नोटिस्ड कि इंडियन सिनेरियोज के लिए ये गाड़ी का ADAS अच्छे से ट्यून किया है मारुति सुजुकी ने. आई नाउ ट्राई द एडेप्टिव क्रूज कंट्रोल फीचर. स्पीड को सेट कर लेते हैं 60 पे एंड नाउ आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू प्रेस द एक्सीलरेटर और द ब्रेक. आगे ट्रक है, देखते गाड़ी अपने आप स्लो होती है या नहीं होती है. द कार इज स्लोइंग इटसेल्फ डाउन एंड अभी गाड़ी 50 पे आ चुकी है. Maintaining safe distance from the truck ahead और भी slow होती जा रही है गाड़ी. And now if I change the lane, we'll have some more free distance right here और गाड़ी अपने आप speed बढ़ाएगी. तो इससे भी आपकी जो long drives होती है हाईवे पे, वहाँ पे आपको convenience भी मिल जाता है और थोड़ी better safety भी मिल जाती है. With its 61 kWh battery, Maruti Suzuki claims a range of 543 km on the e-Vitara. But real life scenarios में ये गाड़ी actual में कितनी range देगी? चलो टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा वो तो. To find out the real world range of the e-Vitara, मैंने ये गाड़ी को एक Nexa dealership में charge किया. Then I drove this car for close to 150 kilometers. There were 2 people inside the car, me and the person shooting this video. I drove this car on whatever specified speed limits were there on every road, and it was a mix of city traffic, open highway roads, everything. And गाड़ी को एकदम ही normal तरीके से चलाया, not too fast, not too slow. The average power consumption figure that I got was between 7.5 to 8.3 kilometers per kilowatt hour, which means a range of 450 to 500 kilometers in the real world is easily possible with the e-Vitara. यानी कि long drives आप ये गाड़ी में आराम से प्लान कर सकते हैं. Now of course we have also been shooting this car, यानी कि बहुत देर तक गाड़ी को idle हम लोग ने रखा था जब duty shots ले रहे थे. A lot of times we were doing multiple runs for different tests that you saw in this video. तो वो सब चीजें भी चल रही थी जिसकी वजह से the power consumption could be fluctuating a little. So after that I again took the car to another Nexa dealership. गाड़ी को वापस चार्ज किया and again I drove this car for 100 kilometers. Again it was a mix of city roads, highways, everything. And वापस मुझे similar power consumption मिला of around 7.6 to 8.2 kilometers per kilowatt hour. यानी कि वापस around 450 to 500 kilometers की real world range में वो translate हो जाता है. मुंबई एंड बैड रोड्स दे गो हैंड इन हैंड. अब ये गाड़ी ये टाइप के क्रेटर्स में कैसे परफॉर्म करती है? हाउ इज द सस्पेंशन? लेट्स टेस्ट दैट. The suspension of the e-Vitara is set up on the stiffer side, but that also means that it is sturdy enough for the kind of roads that we have. The e-Vitara feels very abuse friendly, and thanks to its high ground clearance, it doesn't bottom out or scrape its underbelly anywhere. Does the e-Vitara have enough bottle holders and storage spaces in the cabin? How ergonomic are they? Let's find out. ये कार के इन्फिनिटी स्पीकर्स कैसी साउंड क्वालिटी डिलीवर करते हैं? लेट्स फाइंड दैट आउट. ये कार के इन्फिनिटी स्पीकर्स बहुत अच्छी साउंड क्वालिटी डिलीवर करते हैं. Even at high volumes, the thump is very nice and overall you have a very enjoyable experience. You can of course play around with the equalizer settings also to tune the sound according to your preferences. नाइट ड्राइव्स में e-Vitara की हेडलैम्प्स आपको कैसी विजिबिलिटी ऑफर करेगी? I'll tell you more tonight when I take this car out again for a spin. The vehicle comes with LED headlamps which are quite powerful and offer a lot of confidence. Now the low beam offers a very neat spread while the high beam is powerful enough for the times when you will need it. This vehicle also has an auto leveling feature that is quite helpful. Such a hot day here in Mumbai today. I just had lunch. It is 2:30 in the afternoon. The car has been parked there for a very long time. It's super duper hot. I cannot touch the car. It is that hot. अंदर बैठ के देखते हैं एसी कितनी देर में कैबिन को कूल करता है. The temperature is 32 degrees outside. The car has been parked there for at least 45 minutes and touching the panels, I think it is at least 5 to 7 degrees hotter in here. What I'll do is I'll switch on the AC. AC is now set at 22. Front ventilated seat भी on कर लेता हूँ for me. It happens on the screen right here. Seat is on the ventilation function. इसको back कर लेते हैं and now time to start the stopwatch. A little about 1.5 minutes to cool the cabin and bring it to a very comfortable temperature. Maruti indeed has tuned the AC really well for Indian conditions. The cabin is cooler. I am a lot more comfortable now. Time to get going. You bought an e-Vitara, but how easy or difficult it is to locate a charger and charge this car? आज वो भी टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. The app is quite easy to use, and the good thing is that Maruti Suzuki is offering their own 2000 plus chargers which are exclusively meant for e-Vitara customers so that your convenience doesn't get compromised. ये ऐप में आपको रूट प्लानिंग ऑप्शन और पेमेंट ऑप्शन भी मिल जाता है so that your ownership confidence goes up in this EV. And the best part is कि ये गाड़ी के साथ आपको 1 year of complimentary charging भी मिल जाता है, तो वहाँ पे भी आपकी थोड़ी सेविंग हो जाएगी. The Maruti Suzuki e-Vitara is an EV that won't depress you in 5 minutes. It is a car that will make sense for 5 years or more because ये गाड़ी के fundamentals काफी सही है, like performance, range, charging infra, safety and Maruti's stellar reliability plus service quality. The e-Vitara appeals to different target groups like first-time EV buyers, families and even those people who are prioritizing ecosystem support. It is a born electric car and yet the starting price is the lowest in the segment. In fact, some retrofit EVs are priced much higher. Now, how many of you guys are planning to buy the e-Vitara and आप कौन सा कलर खरीदोगे ये गाड़ी का बताओ मुझे नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में. Also let me know your thoughts on this new EV from Maruti Suzuki.